Transforming the landscape. A deep dive into changing the terrain. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're diving into an intriguing expression, changing the terrain. This phrase is not just about altering physical landscapes, it's a powerful metaphor used across various contexts. Join us as we uncover its meanings and applications, aiming to enhance your understanding and usage of this expressive phrase. At its core, changing the terrain refers to altering the conditions or environment in which activities or operations take place. While it might initially bring to mind images of transforming geographical landscapes, in metaphorical use, it goes much deeper. It's about changing the circumstances, rules, or conditions to achieve a desired outcome or to make progress in a challenging situation. Let's look at some examples to see how this phrase is used in everyday language. 1. Business and innovation. In the business world, changing the terrain might refer to innovating new products or strategies that reshape the market landscape, giving the innovator a competitive edge. 2. Personal development. On a personal level, it could mean changing one's habits or environment to foster growth or overcome obstacles. 3. Politics and social issues. In politics, changing the terrain might involve altering public opinion or the legal landscape to support a particular cause or policy. Understanding the context is key to grasping the full meaning of changing the terrain. The phrase can take on different nuances depending on the situation. It's a call to adaptability and creativity, encouraging individuals or groups to rethink their approach to overcome challenges. To use changing the terrain effectively in conversation or writing, ensure that the context involves a significant change or adaptation. It's best suited for situations where strategic shifts lead to meaningful outcomes. Remember, it's a metaphor, so it pairs well with discussions that benefit from vivid imagery or conceptual thinking. Changing the terrain is a versatile and evocative expression that captures the essence of transformation and adaptability. Whether you're discussing business strategies, personal growth, or social movements, it's a phrase that can add depth and insight to your conversations. We hope this video has illuminated the meaning and potential applications of changing the terrain for you. Thank you for joining us, and as always, keep exploring the beauty and complexity of the English language. See you in our next video.